Next tonight, we're continuing to follow today's announcement from the Erie County Medical Examiner's Office that the death of refugee Nurul Amin Shah Alam has been ruled a homicide. It was just over a month ago when Shah Alam was released from the Erie County Holding Center. His attorney told us his family was picking him up, but he instead accepted a courtesy ride from Border Patrol officers who dropped him off outside of a closed coffee shop in freezing temperatures in Riverside. He was found dead days later. Now, there's so many layers to this story, and so tonight I'm breaking down what we learned today and reaction from lawmakers and community members.
National and international attention focused on Mr. Alam, his life, and his death are an added burden to this family, and my thoughts are with them, especially today.
The Erie County Department of Health and Erie County Executive holding a joint press conference Wednesday to announce the cause of death of Rohingya refugee Nurul Amin Shah Alam. The medical examiner's office determined his cause of death a homicide in medical terms.
Negligent acts or omissions or inaction.
Here's how County Executive Poloncarz and DOH Commissioner Burstein explain what the medical examiner found.
The cause of death was complications of a perforated duodenal ulcer precipitated by hypothermia and dehydration, and the manner of death was homicide.
Yeah, this was basically a stress ulcer. It's not a typical ulcer that we think of from drinking too much coffee or from anything else in our diet or for smoking. The symptoms of a perforated ulcer are severe pain.
When asked about whether this is now a criminal case because of Shah Alam's death being ruled medically as a homicide, both officials shared that it's up to law enforcement agencies like the district attorney or the attorney general's office. We asked Buffalo immigration lawyer Rosanna Berardi about this.
It's very difficult to prosecute a federal agent. There's a lot of protections that go along with that job. I'm not expecting a criminal indictment here, but I am expecting to see some type of civil lawsuit saying that Mr. Alam's rights were violated.
Following the press conference, Assemblymember John Rivera, who represents Buffalo and Lackawanna, called on the Erie County Sheriff to speak on how the department works with ICE-related cases before the legislature.
Part of it is about this specific case, but also it's about their procedures. You know, if they are a law enforcement agency, they should have policies and procedures down on paper to discuss how they handle foreign-born folks that are in the holding centers.
Rohingya community leader Imran Faisal sharing he was deeply shaken by what the Erie County Medical Examiner found.
We are genocide survivors who came here seeking safety, dignity, and the chance to rebuild our lives.
Now, Erie County Executive Poloncarz also explained that Shah Alam's autopsy results will not be released to the public because HIPAA laws are actually in effect up to 50 years after a person's death. Only the family of Shah Alam can release it if they choose to do so.